G'day guys, Jim coming at you here from another cramp position in a trike, and yeah, we left a bit late today. It was at after 2, and we got down and had some of these fries. Check this video out. Check these fries out. And we just realised that my dad's left a smartwatch charging. Her cousin came over, and I think we got out a bit late. Anyway, it's a nice fine day here. Well, it's very bumpy right here. This ride is very bumpy. The roads are pretty rough, but it certainly is the way of living here to get around on these trikes. Later. Huh? Okay. What is it, Bubba? What is it, Bubba?
Oh, that's it.
Ah, you just noticed it, have you? Bubba just noticed that. You just noticed it, Bubba.
This is the plaza.
Huh?
Plaza. So, potato corner. Very well known in the Philippines.
Well, what's it called?
Potato corner.
Potato corner. Potato corner, Bubba. World's best flavoured fries.
Cheese and sardine. Nice.
Thank you, Bubba. Bubba likes my sunglasses. It took a while finding these sunglasses, didn't you, Bubba? Bubba? Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. So what's...
Cheese flavor and sardine.
Cheese flavour and what?
Cheese flavor, sour cream.
And sour cream. So you got more cheese and sour cream. Okay. Okay. Try these. Both taste good, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba, can we cross here or what?
Yeah, we can cross here.
Huh? Can we cross here, Bubba?
Can we go this side? It's so hot here.
Well, they haven't got what we want, Bubba. Huh? I don't know if we can sit in there, can we?
Yeah.
Oh, there? It's a basketball. Silang. Oh, there's a basketball.
You know how to play? You want to play?
They're probably a team, Bubba.
Huh?
Probably a team. Here or there. Let's sit up on this one, top one. Up here.
You want to play with them? The basketball court.
Bubba, can anybody join the board?
Huh?
Anybody get on the board? Anyone can just jump in with the Bubba?
Yeah.
Anybody can just jump in?
Yeah.
Bubba? I want to get there fast. Yeah, they're very patient, and yes, it's really good. Okay, nearly back at the location. There's a Jeep up there. Wasn't too far, I guess. Just up here. So these are the local houses. Quite nice. So I've got security, some of it. Okay, so Bubba. Okay, so we got the teeth whitened here at Smiles at 34 Clinic.
Okay naman ako dito.
Pasok lang.
Alis na.
Pasok lang.
Pasok?
Yeah. Oh, I need to be up. It hurts?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
Okay. It hurts?
Yeah.
Okay. But do you want the white teeth? Do you?
Alright.
Do you want white teeth or me? Who wants your white teeth? Who?
Huh?
Do you want white teeth? Huh?
I guess so. Not hard time.
No pain, no gain? Huh? No pain, no gain. So, you need to bear the sensitivity, Baba. Your teeth is sensitive. That's the reason why you feel some pain. Stinging.
Yeah.
Stinging?
Yeah.
Just wait for a little bit more. How many minutes more now?
I said 10 minutes ago.
How many minutes more?
12 minutes.
Doc? Huh?
12 minutes.
5 minutes.
12.
12.
5 more?
12.
5? Okay.
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
12 minutes. Baba, 12 minutes. 12 minutes is not a long time. You know? In few days time, we're gonna be leaving Philippines. So, you'll miss your green tea in the meantime for 48 hours. At least no coffee, so downtime for coffee. Because you always love your chocolates and coffee. No chocolates, no coffee in the meantime. After this session, okay? Maybe. Are you okay? Show your thumbs up. Okay. Good. Why? No, that's the normal process of teeth whitening. Is that the normal process, Doc?
Yes.
Yeah. You feel a bit of stinging because the... Yeah. You want to what? Okay. Record. Yeah. Message
now.
I see. Not
Can we
yet.
go
Not
now?
yet.
I just want to run.
Not yet. Wait. They're still doing something. And then yeah, meron nga nag-white sa gums
So-
na. Do you think, huh? Sure, huh?
I love that.
What's that? No, you need to warm with salt water.
Yeah.
The white on your bones, sir, you need to mix it with
Salt water and salt and
water. It will be gone.
It will remove, huh?
24 hours, sir.
huh?
You get that? Huh?
It will remove 24 hours.
Yes, po.
Okay.
You get that?
Yeah.
All right.
Tonight and tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
The kissing's out, Bubba. Kissing's out. No more kissing, Bubba. Found one.
What?
Kissing, Bubba.
What?
Okay. Yep.
Bali one shade lighter lang siya.
Yeah.
Hindi naging 2 shades later.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Opo. Pero ano po,
This is
iba-iba-
your
iba-iba
teeth
kasi
in the first
shade ng
place?
Yep, yep.
sir.
And then
Yung
after
medyo
we
madilag
did the
yung
whitening,
pero
Yeah.
this one.
Ngayon po medyo halos nag-
Oh wow, yeah, you can see the difference, can you?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen it, but I haven't seen it. But I can see the difference on the shade. They're stained, aren't they?
Huh?
Looked stained before, didn't they?
Huh?
That's there, is it? That one there? Yeah. They looked stained before. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Maybe it was worth the pain, but
Let's check. Yeah.
Yeah?
At least 1 shade lighter. 1 shade.
Yes.
1 shade lighter.
you know difference?
Yeah. Can you check the shot? You think?
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you can see. Yeah.
6,000 po.
6,000 pesos, darling.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. So
Sure,
it's
mawawala yung mga white.
6:33 now. It's what, quarter to
Yeah.
is it quarter to 8? 7:45.
Let's go.
7:45. Okay.
Ready?
Alright, Bubba, we'll sort this out. So
Let's go.
it's a long time, Bubba. Yeah. Yeah. You alright?
Yeah. Sa'yo mag-pay?
Yes.
Okay.
Ano po ba pipili mo? Cash po or
Card.
card?
May charge ang card.
Okay. Right.
About 10,999.
What they said?
Yeah.
Is that what they said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it's the first time I had my teeth whitened, and it was
Okay.
a bit of pain there for some time.
They
Pain.
see? Come here.
Yeah, no, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and
Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah, you go
you
there.
get shot at, yeah.
You go there so you can see the
Okay. Okay, so Bubba. Okay, so we got the teeth whitened here at Smiles at 34 Clinic, and my dear said you got to get your teeth whitened. They've got a good deal here. There it is. There, Smiles at 34 Dental Clinic, and yeah, it did hurt for a bit, but if it's a bit whiter, and my dear thinks it looks way better, it's good. Well worth it. So come down here and get it done at Smiles at 34 Dental Clinic. And there it is. There it says there's a big picture of it there. Inquire now. Get a brighter smile. You always wanted teeth whitening. Inquire inside about the promo. And there's on Facebook and Instagram. Smiles 34th. So yeah. And yeah, no, it's, you can see the difference. It's got different photos here. Book an appointment now. Smiles at 34 Dental Clinic. And I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, it took a while. I have no pain. Yeah, so it was pretty painful, but the pain's gone away now. So I thought that I'd have pain for a while, but there's no pain. So as my dear said, no pain, no gain. But no coffee for 2 days. Not that I have much coffee or green tea either. So got a bit of restriction there, but yeah. Anyway, so.